Okay. Beginner blacksmith. December the 28th, 2019. My first time. I got me a little eyebolt in there and a saw blade knife. I cut out little bitty tiny electric cutters. Takes forever. Other way, get the big one. Cuts faster. Anyway, I got a old blower from a Christmas balloon ornament that sits in your front yard. I got the little blowers out of it. Old. It's blowing on my fire there. I'm using some oak hardwood, some charcoal wood. I have a old piece of metal here and a wedge, wood splitting wedge. I got a knife I repaired with a old handle and a new-ish hammer. And that's it so far. I'm just getting started. Today's my first day. Okay, I'll pause and hammer on my little eyebolt. Okay, this is the fun part, getting it out of here without burning yourself. All right, back in the fire. Whew. Baby, it's hot. See if plug it back in. Plug the blower back in. Saw blade cools down fast, I tell you. Oh, let's see, it has that little corner sharp. I'm trying to round it off a little. Huh, pretty good. Basically done with this one. So I'll take the grinder, grind a few edges, here, there, and yonder. And that's me beginning.